relationship from there. All right, let's move on to the next one. Angle BAT. So let's go ahead and draw BAT. BAT has an angle bisector. Okay, so again, guys, if you have an angle bisector, that means that's cutting that angle in half. So we have BAT, and this is going to be C. So the angle of BAT is equal to 2x plus 5, and BAC is going to equal to 3x minus 5. Okay, so one thing that we talked about in this previous one, in the midpoint one, obviously when you have a midpoint, like 5 is equal to 5, right? Well, that's the exact same thing for an angle bisector. When you have an angle bisector, I just did it here. This actually was not designed to like make any connections with their questions, but it kind of works. Like if you have this perpendicular bisector that bisects the side length, if you have an angle bisector, that's going to cut that angle in half. This is an equilateral triangle, 60, 60, 60, but it has a perpendicular or an angle bisector that cuts it in half. So therefore, if we know that BAC, or at least I was told BAC is 3x minus 5, then the angle CAT also has to equal 3x minus 5. Right? So therefore, we're going to say CAT also has to be 3x minus 5 per the definition of an angle bisector as far as cutting that angle in half. Both side lengths are going to be exactly the same. So again, we can now see here, we can maybe now add them. So this plus this has to equal BAT. So we can say 3x minus 5, let's just do times 2, is equal to 2x plus 10. Right? You could say 3x minus 5 plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. And then let's go ahead and divide a 2 on both sides. It's been a really, really long time since I did a problem like this. So 3x minus 5 is equal to x plus 5. And then subtract an x on both sides. So therefore you get 2x minus 5 is equal to 5. And then add a 5. Add a 5, 2x is equal to 10. Therefore, divide by 2, x is equal to 5. And I'm not sure if that was the question. The question was, well, the question was solve. I'm not sure if that's the way. Maybe the question was like find the angle of BAT, determine the measure of BAT. So if angle BAT is equal to 2x plus 10, and we know that x is equal to 5, then we can just evaluate that by plugging the 5 in, and therefore we would get 20. So I think that was what that question was asking, or what it was.